Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. On the pixel left, select the import button, go to the gallery, select a picture, adjust the picture, remove the background, select the result color, enable button down, select the import button, go to the gallery, select another picture, adjust the picture, save the picture, select the save option, adjust the save confirmation, select the text option, edit option by writing, select the size option, adjust the size, select the font option, adjust the font, select the stroke button, enable button down, adjust the color, select the shadow option, enable button down, select the texture option, go to the gallery, select a picture, adjust the picture. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.